Cut.
So this is avial. You start with cutting the vegetables long. So you can put a mix of vegetables. Like I have put yellow pumpkin, winter pumpkin, raw
Beans.
banana, which is a must, beans, carrot, papaya, raw papaya. And so I took a little bit of coconut oil and then put some curry leaves, put the vegetables in, put very little haldi. The haldi is normally added in avial by the Keralites.
Haldi is turmeric. There is a very little bit of turmeric in this, and you start with basically coconut oil, curry leaves, and put the vegetables in with turmeric and fry it
They didn't
for a
understand
while.
me, huh? So where are you?
Okay, so the vegetables are getting fried. How long do we
Just a
fry the
little
vegetables?
bit, maybe just for 5 minutes.
Okay.
Till everything is done.
Okay.
Not everything
Here is the
done.
cook.
Sorry, not everything done.
Uh-huh.
Just a little bit fried.
Okay.
And then you add water. 1 second. I should get it in down. Not too much water. Just enough to get them to soften.
Can you say
you don't
that would
need
be
too
about
much.
less than a cup of water?
Probably.
Okay.
I don't know.
Less than a cup of water.
Yeah. Then you cover it and you cook it till it's done.
Okay. What is done? It's totally cooked or
Yeah,
half
it's totally
cooked?
cooked.
Okay.
That's what it means.
So we're
by
gonna cover and
saying
cook this.
It's done. It's totally cooked.
Okay. So the chef says that you cover and cook till it's totally cooked. So we're going to let this vegetable cook. Okay. So in the meantime, can you tell us what you're going to blend?
I'm going to grind this. It has grated coconut,
Uh-huh.
green chilies.
Uh-huh.
That's to taste.
Uh-huh.
And jeera for the quantity you saw.
Jeera is what in English?
Jeera is cumin seeds
Okay.
in English. What are chilies?
Chilies is the same in English,
Green
but it's
chili?
called molaga in Tamil, mirchi
Pacham molaga.
and mirchi in Hindi.
So you grind the three together.
How much of coconut did you take?
Smoothly. I took 1.5 cups.
1.5 cups of coconut, and how many spoons or half a spoon or how much?
I said that 1.5 spoons.
The cumin
teaspoons
seeds.
of cumin seeds.
1.5.
And I put like 8-9 chilies because my husband loves spicy food.
Okay, just to be sure, there is 1.5 cups of coconut, 1.5 spoons of cumin seeds, and 5-6 red hot green chili. This is going to be blended into a smooth paste. Also add a spoon of nicely sour yogurt. If you have sour yogurt, it's great, but otherwise put a spoon of yogurt before you can blend. Okay, we also added a few leaves of the curry leaf before we could blend this, and we are going to add a little bit of water to this and blend this in a blender.
Mix
Yeah.
it halfway through. It's getting cooked, as you can see. Everything is getting a little bit mush. But just I'm checking the potato whether it's mush or not, and it is mush.
How do you check? Can you just show that, please?
You break it into
Okay.
and it goes right in.
Okay.
But this is not going right in.
Okay.
So I'm going to wait another few minutes
Okay.
for everything to get mush.
So, yes. So in the meanwhile, we are taking about 1 cup of yogurt. That's about 250 ml of yogurt. Preferred again the yogurt to be a little sour, and we are just whisking it so that it is nice and smooth.
And if I need more, I'll add more.
Okay, the vegetables are more or less cooked, I guess.
See, this is
We are
what
just
I'm doing. I'm kind
trying
of
to
just,
cut through the vegetable to see whether
yes.
it cuts through with the wooden
the
ladle.
only thing is that is not done. with
The only thing
papaya.
that is not done is the raw papaya.
So I'm going to give it 2 more minutes.
Okay, so we're going to give it 2 more minutes. Overall time so far is about roughly 6 minutes. So we've reduced the flame And at this point we are going to add the whisked yogurt, which is about a cup of the yogurt. And the flame is totally in sim. Okay, that's good. The chef has made sure that almost every drop of the yogurt is off, and now she is taking the metal spoon. You said you'll put a finger in, right? Please use. Don't put a metal spoon inside a blender. You're going to kill the blade and it will stop grinding as well down the road. So always either use your finger.
I don't agree. We've been using this for 30 years.
Well, she says she doesn't agree, but I agree. And I stopped her from putting a metal spoon in. And the blended
gently.
coconut, cumin seed, green chili and curry leaf has now gone into the vegetable along with the yogurt, and the dish is still in a slow flame while it's being mixed. Mix this thoroughly. And how long do you think we should leave this cooking?
Just a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Okay, are you going to garnish this?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll show that soon.
Okay, your face is not in the video, so don't keep bending.
What?
Once you have mixed this,
Like I'm such a
you
perfect
need to take salt,
Put.
about a spoon of salt,
If you need it.
and add salt to it. So taste this dish now and add the right amount of salt that you need. So to garnish for the avial, we've taken a little saucepan and a good large spoon of coconut oil. This coconut has solidified a little, so, and this is pure coconut. It's not the coconut hair oil, it's coconut oil for cooking. It is right now melting in this, and for the garnish we are going to burst mustard seeds first in this coconut oil. Chef, can you bring the mustard seeds? About a spoon of mustard seeds, and the flame has gone into high flame, but the actual gas is a small. Wait for the mustard to burst in the coconut oil, at which time you should simmer the gas and add curry leaves to this. There you go. And then you drop this garnish into the avial and give it a mix, and we are done with really a very, very yummy and healthy dish, given the fact that everybody is moving to coconut oil today. So this recipe actually came from my sister, and really has been mastered by my wife. She makes really one of the most awesome avials, and I have also noticed that it is great to have this with roti or paratha as a side. It really, really, really is a yummy side dish to have with roti or paratha as well. So thank you for watching, and I am at this point of time wanting you all to acknowledge the great chef. That's my wife. She is the master of avial in this house.